Hello class, in this video I will be showing you how to find the equation of a secant line. Let's begin. A secant line is a line that intersects the graph of a function in at least two places. The slope of the secant line is the average rate of change between the points that intersect the secant line and the graph of a function. The equation of the secant line is y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1, where m is the average rate of change and x1, y1 is a point where the secant line and the graph intersect. Now let's take a look at an example. Find the equation of the secant line of m of x is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 1 through the points x equals -1 and x is equal to 1. To find the equation of a secant line, we need two pieces of information. We need the slope of the line, which will be m, and we need a point on the line. I will start by finding the slope. The slope is the average rate of change of m of x between the points x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 1. So the slope m is equal to m of 1 minus m of -1, all divided by 1 minus -1. You can use Decimus to evaluate m of 1 and m of -1, and when you do, you will get m is equal to 2 minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to -1. Now we need a point. We know the x value of one coordinate is -1, therefore the y value of the same coordinate will be m of -1. Using Decimus, you can evaluate m of -1 and you will get 4. Now that we have a slope and a point, we can find the equation of the secant line. We will label -1 x1 and we will label 4 y1. So the equation of the secant line will be y minus 4 is equal to -1 times the quantity x minus -1. A negative times a negative is a positive, so we have y minus 4 is equal to -1 times the quantity x plus 1. And now I'm going to write the equation in slope-intercept form. And I'm going to do that by distributing the -1, then adding 4 to both sides. So the equation of the secant line is y is equal to -1x plus 3, or y is equal to -x plus 3. Now you are probably wondering, will we get the same equation if we use the other point? Well, let's check it out. So the other point on the secant line will be 1 comma m of 1. And using Decimus, you'll see that the point will be 1 comma 2. So the equation of the secant line will be y minus 2 is equal to -1 times the quantity x minus 1. If we distribute the -1, we have y minus 2 is equal to -1 x plus 1. Now we're going to add 2, and you will see that no matter which coordinate we use, we will get the same equation. On to question 2. The graph of m of x is given below. Sketch the secant line that passes through the points x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 1. We know the secant line is y is equal to -x plus 3. The slope is -1, and if we write that as a fraction, that is -1 divided by 1. And the y-intercept is 0, 3. So I'm going to place a point at 0, 3. A slope of -1 means from here we're going to go down 1 to the right one. So the next point will be at 1, 2. Then we'll have another point at 2, 1. And we'll have another point at -1, 4. And that is the graph of the secant line of m of x that passes through the points -1, 4 and 1, 2. And we are done.